my gosh, look at these delicious wings. Let's see how they are baked. Hey, what's up YouTube? This your girl, My Heart's Diverse. I'm gonna be baking some chicken wings today, and I wanted you guys to see how I am baking them. So I done already washed my chicken wings already, and I already did the first batch of seasoning already. So next I'm gonna show you how I season it and what seasoning I use. Thyme leaves, a special jalapeno seasoning that I use, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, garlic, herb, and black pepper and sea salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, onion pepper, onion powder, paprika, and lemon and pepper seasoning, and also cayenne pepper. I also use Cajun Blues all-purpose seasoning as well. So those are all the seasonings that I will be using. This is my first time seasoning the chicken. I'm gonna do a second round of seasoning as well, and I'm gonna show you that. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to season my chicken wings. First, I'm gonna use the onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper, paprika, garlic, herb, and black pepper and sea salt, Italian seasoning, jalapeno seasoning, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and thyme leaves. I have also the last seasoning, which is the Cajun Blues all-purpose seasoning. And then so you want to basically space them apart on your pan. And chicken makes its own grease, so you don't need to put grease on it, but I would suggest placing a fall paper underneath it so it doesn't stick to your pan. You gotta excuse me, I have a little cold. But this is how you place it on the pan. And then you place it in the oven just like that. And keep checking it periodically to make sure it's not burning or anything like that. And there you have it, you guys. These are my specialty blackened wings. It took about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes to for them to bake, but you don't want them to be overdone. But these are it. Let's take a bite of these wings so we can see how it tastes. Do you see all the seasoning and all that on it? I love it blackened just like that. Not too overdone, but it's a little overcooked, but I love it like this. Let's take a bite. Love it, you guys. Best wing. Best wings. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification button.
Well, notification bell.
So you can be notified. And so you can see more videos. Bye-bye, guys.